to stop a gay ban, take control of an oppressive gay ban.
Watch the sound.
What are you doing in my swamp?
Hi, this is Gabe Newell. Welcome to my farm.
When I get home to you, I find the things that you do will make me feel.
I'm recording now. Pressing speak. I was recording.